everyone, let's talk about wedding season lip shades because I've also filmed a huge makeup haul recently. So if you haven't watched that yet, do check it out after this video. And since I picked up so many new shades in that haul, today I'm doing a proper detailed review and showing you exactly how each shade looks and where you can wear it. Also, if there's one thing I've learned after trying so many lipsticks, including expensive high-end ones, these Maybelline Superstay shades easily outperform a lot of them. And no, this video is not sponsored. I bought every single shade myself because I love how reliable they are, especially for weddings where you need your lipstick to survive food, sweat, photos, everything. So let's start with soft everyday shades. Perfect for daytime weddings, haldi or mehendi. First shade is 65 Seductress. This is that perfect soft beige family shade, very elegant and wearable. It gives you that clean, polished look even with the simplest makeup. Pairs beautifully with light colored outfits, floral jewelry, or soft day glam. Next is the 225 number delicate shade. A pretty pinkish beige tone, sweet, soft, and very feminine. If you want a pretty but not loud lip, this is your shade. Looks amazing for brunch weddings or day functions. Shade number 70, Amazonian. Warm caramel brown tones that add warmth without overpowering your look. Great for bridesmaids who want soft but defined lips. Works beautifully with gold or beige outfits. Next up, we're getting into pink tones. These are your fresh, pretty day to night shades. Shade number 125, Inspiral. A pink peach that instantly brightens your face. If you like soft glam, this makes your makeup look fresh and youthful. Perfect for light lehengas, simple saris, or soft glam brides. Shade number 120, Artist. A deeper, classier pink, noticeable but elegant. It gives your lips presence without making them the star of the show. Lovely choice for engagement or reception daytime looks. Shade number 500, Insider. Rosy pink tones that work for literally any event. Such a safe shade, you can blindly apply it and know you look good. Great for girls who like subtle lips but still want definition. Now let's get into the reds. The real showstoppers for Sangeet, cocktail, and reception looks. Shade number 20, Pioneer. The bold universal red, super flattering and timeless. This shade photographs beautifully, perfect for bridal portraits, goes with every outfit, red, gold, silver, black, everything. Shade number 117, Groundbreaker. A warmer, spicy red with orange undertones. Gives a festive Indian vibe, perfect for bright outfits. Amazing for dusky and medium skin tones. It really pops. Now let's get into Night Glam family. These are powerful statement-making shades. Shade number 150, Savin. A deep pink berry shade, bold yet wearable. Perfect for smoky eye makeup or glamorous evening looks. Looks luxe with sequins, shimmer, and darker outfits. Shade number 115, Founder. A deep, powerful shade for full glam. It adds drama instantly without overthinking your makeup. Perfect for receptions, cocktails, or night bridal events. Shade number 50, Voyager. A beautiful brownish red, rich, deep, and super flattering. If you want something bolder than a red but not extreme, this is your dream shade. Looks stunning in low light events and photographs beautifully. Now let's move into deep earthy tones. Shade number 85, Protector. A deep chocolate brown, so stunning on dusky skin tones. It's bold, editorial, and very confident. If you like statement lips or strong night glam, this shade is unreal. Shade number 540, Entrepreneur. A balanced, universally flattering tone that works with any outfit, day or night. This is such a versatile pick. Great for girls who want one shade they can depend on for everything. Shifting to the rosy mauve tones. These are feminine, flattering, and honestly so easy to wear. Shade number 15, Lover. A bold rosy mauve pink that stands out effortlessly. Perfect for minimal makeup days when you want the lips to do the talking. Works across all skin tones, one of the most flattering in the range. Best part about these, they literally stay locked for hours. Once they set, they don't smudge, don't fade, and don't transfer easily. Perfect for brides, bridesmaids, or any wedding guest who doesn't want to keep touching up. So yeah, these are all the shades, and the staying power of these lipsticks is actually crazy. They last through food, dancing, heat, ceremonies. They are literally wedding proof. If you want me to help you match a shade with your outfit or your skin tone, just comment below. I'll help you pick your perfect tone. Thank you so much for watching.